Hello there all YouTubers. Today I'm gonna continue with the mysqlLib, and I'm just gonna make one quick little change here. Yeah, change my color scheme, whatever, Windows. Now I'm gonna say print R, and the expression is gonna be lib search, no, table, test table, column. Well, I want, let's see, I want his name to be Tim. You can see we got a lot of results there. Now let's just go up here and comment out this. You can see we no longer add things. Now I know I'm gonna make another insert, but before I make the insert, I'm gonna make a public function called delete row. No, I'm gonna do remove record. I'm gonna say table with column is equal to value. Oops. And then do that, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna open mysql php myadmin, and I'm gonna open up SQL body. Move him over here, submit to login, go in here. This is the wrong one. I'm gonna go to mysqlLib test table, and I'm just gonna delete one in here. Delete from this is the thing you wanna copy. So here we got mysqlLib and the test table, and yeah, I'm gonna say mysql quarter, and I'm not gonna do it with those, but with those. So delete from, this should be table. No, this should be table. Where let's say where the column is equal to, and I'm gonna do that, and value. So if I quickly go up here and I do lib remove record from test table, where the column ID is 7, it removed the one with 7. So now you see we got 6. If I update, the 6 is gone. So 5, 4, and now you can see we got 4 elements, but I only want 3. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Search do sure, I believe I can do that. There we go. So now we got that one, but I want to test one thing. If I do, I'm just gonna copy this thing into here and do SQL, insert into, and this should be test table, where let's do name, and it's like that. Fam name, and what's more? ID. So we say we have this. Shouldn't I be able to do like test test fam name? And no, that should be possible. Yeah. You see, if I go here test fam, yeah, I can see it worked. So if I delete, I just tested if I need to have this one exactly as I need to have as they are in the table. But I'm gonna do an else here. Else if a sock is equal to true or whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna do copy this into here. Now insert into table. That can stay. Calls equal to this dot get rows. Don't need you. Insert columns you can stay, but calls should be removed. And should instead be values. Insert column where key, just as I wanted it to be. Here, insert values where key. This might actually work. So if I do that, go up here, comment out this once more. Shouldn't I remove that? Insert and I say true. No. True. Didn't I echo that out? No. I commented this out. I did never echo Q. Insert into table where 0, 1, 2 follows nullity and draw. But 0, 1, 2 is correct. But if I set this to ID, oops, bring it down and say this is like name and this is fam name, you can see that this isn't in the order that the columns are in the thing in here. So this is our thing, but why does it echo array at the end? Well, I believe it's semicolon then. What does it say array in here? This should actually work. This array part is to this. Don't mind this one. But if we update, we can see we have a fourth, and a fifth, and a five. Yeah, you can see. And it's inserting as these values count. But now we're done with the insert function. Now let's do multi-search. Public function multi-search, and it's gonna take 2 arguments for now at least. First one table, of course. Second one search, no values. Just gonna stick with the values name. And first of all, I'm gonna say let's go into here we'll do search test a. Okay, we need to have something that actually exists in here. So if we do this, yeah, we get it. We can copy this, and down here we'll say q equals to, no, we'll do that, and just we can remove this last part, and we got that. Where name is equal to Tim, and family name is, yeah. So this is the thing. We're gonna need to have a terms. We can now just write in table here, but we'll say terms equal to nothing. And we'll also begin here with for each array as key value, but this should be values actually. So we're gonna apply, copy this, and we're gonna say terms dot equal to, do that, and in there. Now name, this should be replaced by key. Tim should be replaced by value, and this and can stay. But I'm gonna go up here to my ordinary search function and no, my insert. Here it is, and copy this sub-str, as we're gonna remove the last 4 letters, 4 things. So it's 1 here. Oops. It's 1, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, you can see what I mean. So terms equal to that, except it's gonna be terms here. Terms 0 and -4. And let's do, oops, now what the fuck? We're gonna need a thing here where we'll say terms, and we'll do, oops, echo q, not 1, q. And we're gonna say, we're gonna search when name is equal to Tim. I'm just gonna make a new one so you don't confuse them. Search name where name is equal to Tim, and this is all how you're going to use it. Search where fam name is equal to vp coder, and no insert thingy here please. Multi search, just gonna do search and close the array thing. So let's go in here, undefined variable temps, have a right temps instead of terms anywhere. Terms, terms, select from test table where name is equal to Tim and fam, it should be spaced there. So let's fix that. We can do this an easy way. Remove that, and in here replace the space. Yeah. So that works as I wanted it to. Yep. Now let's do q. Now let's do q equal to mysql query q. No error. Great. While row is equal to mysql fetch array q. Let's do I want to find a return equal to array. Just gonna say it like that. I'm gonna do, what if I do return now row, and I cannot use field here. I'm gonna say row 0. Cannot do like that, need to be like that, is equal to row. And now in here just return. You can see we got one value where the ID was 1. I'm gonna do another here, key by, and it's just gonna be in here. If key by is not equal to null, if it's not empty, it's gonna do row key by, and else it's gonna do that. I'm missing an argument, thought so, but I'm gonna go down here and say key by equal to null, and now it works. But if I wanted to, I could say that I want to do it after name, and this one here should change to 10, and it did. So this works exactly as I wanted it to. So let's say we got, yeah, I'm gonna make a few tutorials now in the future with this. We're not done with this, of course, but I'm gonna make a few tutorials with this. So it's good you're looking at it right now, but yeah. So, and I didn't fart. It was my Coca-Cola bottle, which I drank of, or whatever. Multi-search, search, num rows, get root there. This could be private. Function get root there. That will do the router is equal to this. Get root there. No error. Great. Anything more you usually do? Do I have a num rows table? Get rows num. It should be get columns, but hey, whatever. No, we've written this at so many places. I do not like to put the effort into changing all of those. Num rows get rows. And this search, let's do I need another public function result not null. No, not null. Result not null. Yeah. And I'm gonna do, you know, table call value key plus 1. Now I'm gonna do now this is quite it's a function that we don't need. Now what do you also often do with MySQL? You can delete I'm gonna make a new one. Public function remove table. No, drop table. And I believe let's just do this. Save. Missing values. Missing values in form. So if I wanted to delete this, I want to drop this table. How do I drop this table? Operations. Empty the table. Delete the table. And I do not believe that that was the proper view of it. I believe it should be like that. And then just table. Let me copy that. Oops, control not shift. I will do lib drop table. Let's see if this works. It only has test table there. Let's update this. And it dropped that one. And that will mean it works. So drop table remove record table column value. Get rid of the new F connection. So we don't need these things at all. This should be at one line. And I think we're done actually for this part. Now how do you let's just write the thing here. Class table. Do that. And it's gonna take function construct name equal to this name equal to name. That's how we're gonna have it. So that should get it to work. Why is there an error? And let's try public. No. Move one there. And we'll say function new row. Now name type length Now you have quite a lot of things when you do a new table. Type, length, default. No. Collation. Oh. Attributes. Next one I'm gonna do is no. I'm gonna do index and AI for auto increment. Default of false. Index equal to null. Null equal to false. Length equal to 100. Type equal to varchar. Name equal to nothing. So if I do like null primary auto increment 100 varchar column blah test column specifier for high 58 save. Processing request incorrect column specifier for column blah. So I guess it cannot be like that. Save. Oh, I guess it needs to be auto increment. Test. No, I didn't copy the fuck. Operations drop create a table. Let's do test blah hi varchar 100 primary auto increment and let's see 100 varchar. This might be it. No, I didn't know. The test table already exists. What? I just named this test. Why you not show me the code for creating things? But anyways, who do actually make tables by code? If you want a tutorial on that, I'm sure I can fix it. Had it in my previous versions of it. But as this is a remake and a lot more easy to use, I'm gonna do a few things up here, like public name equal to mysqlLib public version equal to 0.0. Let's just 7. And we're gonna do in here, we're gonna do lib is equal to new mysqlLib. And we're gonna say echo lib name equal to lib name append a space and we also append version and then append lib version unspecified t variable. Oh, echo mysqlLib version 007. So this might actually work. and I'm gonna make a few tutorials on what to do with them, make a login system, make a post system, make a whatever. Did I make an insert? I actually worked on that this time, but whatever. Thank you for watching this series of things, and I believe it's almost up to 2 hours now of coding. But as I said in the first part, I think, or the second part, if you do not like to write this on your own, I'll add a link to this video with a download for this lib. And yeah, but thanks for watching anyway. Bye.